Hello and welcome to another exciting review on our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car accessories and cleaning tools to bring you the latest and greatest products that will take your vehicle to the next level. We have a wide range of items that are sure to appeal to all car enthusiasts and anyone who wants to keep their ride looking fresh and clean. First up, we have the newest, highest quality midnight purple wrapping film. This vinyl wrap is perfect for giving your vehicle a sleek and stylish look, and it's bubble-free for easy application. Plus, it comes with a warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you're getting a top-quality product. Next, we have the car phone holder for Tesla Model 3. This innovative holder is perfect for keeping your phone secure and easily accessible while you're on the road. With its one-hand operation and 360 rotation, you can navigate, play music, and charge your phone with ease, all while ensuring a safe driving experience. But that's not all. We also have a range of cleaning tools and accessories to keep your car looking its best. From car interior cleaning brushes to car washing gloves and multi-function sponges, we have everything you need to keep your vehicle in top condition, inside and out. And for those hard-to-reach areas, we have the car window cleaner brush kit. This kit includes a windshield wiper and a detachable 13-inch long ergonomic handle for easy cleaning. It's perfect for removing dirt, dust, and moisture from your car windows, and it can even be used for household cleaning tasks. Last but not least, we have the color-changing film, perfect for giving your car a fresh look. This film is high-grade polymeric calendared vinyl with air release channels, making it easy to apply on curved surfaces. Plus, it's waterproof, UV-resistant, and fire-resistant, so you can be sure it will last for years to come. All of these amazing products are available for purchase through the links in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your car and keep it looking its best. So go ahead, check out the links, and grab these fantastic products today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and keep your car looking great.